Hello everyone, this is EasyEDU, and in our today's video tutorial we will show you how to add video or GIF file to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. To do this, let's create a PowerPoint presentation. How to add video to PowerPoint. Now create another slide by clicking here. Now we are going to add video to this slide. You can add picture by clicking this. You can insert a video. Click on this, insert a video. Now there is another simple method to add the video. This is very complicated. I will follow the second method, which is go to videos, select the video which you want to add to your PowerPoint presentation. I will select this video and add it to this slide. Simply drag it here. Here you see the video. By clicking this, you will see the video is played. Now you can click on playback by selecting on click or automatically. In this, the video will play automatically if you play the automatically, but if you select the option on click, the video will play only when you click on the video. Just check it this automatically. Click on slide view. Here you see the video played automatically. Now we are going to select the on click option. The on click option allowed you to play the video by clicking on the video. Now I'm going to click on this video. Here you see the video is played. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe EasyEDU for more videos.